You how to invest in infrastructure bonds in Kenya, especially as someone who is in the diaspora or even if you're right here in Kenya. So step number one, you need to download the Dhow CSD app. Dhow CSD app is an app of the Central Bank of Kenya. You can download it from the App Store or you can download it from the Play Store. I have done mine. You can see it down here, Dhow CSD. And then what you want to do is to click on it to open. Right here, you can see how it looks like. It actually looks like a Dhow. Next step is to, if you don't have an account yet, you'll have to create an account. If you have one, enter a username and password. I'm going to enter my username and password to log in. So that is me now here logged in. You can see there are three main sections. When you log in, there is summary, which shows your portfolio. And then we have securities, and then we have C, which is actions. And then when you look at the bottom of the screen, there is this section that says buy or sell. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and once you click on buy or sell, you want to go straight to bids. Okay, down there. You can see I haven't placed any bids yet. So I'm going to click on securities. And when I click on securities, it shows me all the active auctions. So as of the shooting of this video, you can see the Government of Kenya Infrastructure Bond number IFB1-2023-6.5 is currently active. It is a Treasury bond. And the tenor is 6.5 years. As you can see at the end of the name of the bid, you can tell how long the tenor is. So I'm going to click on create bid. Okay, so you can see here, I am being told to place a bid or cancel or whatever it is. So what I want to do is create a non-competitive bid. So you can watch my other videos on my YouTube channel, If I'm Tali Finance. I have explained the difference between a competitive bid and a non-competitive bid. Technically, what a competitive bid is, you have to give the face value, that is how much money you want to lend to the government, and then you have to give the yield, which is the percentage interest you want to get back from the government. And this is fixed in that should the government accept your bid, whatever yield you had put there is what they're going to pay you. It doesn't matter what the weighted average bid is, whether it is less or more than what you had requested. For the non-competitive bid, this is what I encourage retail investors, that is individual investors like myself, to go for, because when you click on the non-competitive bid, you can see right here now, the only thing you're being asked for is the face value. They're not asking for how much interest you want, because what is going to happen once everyone has put in their bid, the government will come up with a weighted average depending on how much interest people have asked for, and that is going to be the yield that you will get, or the interest that the government will pay you. For infrastructure bonds, the payment is twice a year. Every 6 months, they're going to pay you for the tenor of the bond, which in this case is 6.5 years. And then at the end of the 6.5 years, you will get back the face value of the bond that you bought. So here, in my case, I want to buy a bond that is worth 100,000. 100,000. Oh yes, something else. You can only buy the bonds in multiples of 50. So you can see right here, bidding increments is 50,000. So that means the minimum bond you can buy is 50,000. And if you want more, you can only buy in plus 50,000 plus 50,000. So 100,000, or sorry, 50,000 or 100,000 or 150,000 or 200,000, going up and up and up and up that way. You can see my account number is there. So here we have the section on placing agent. Quite frankly, you don't need a placing agent, because that means more costs for you that you could have used for investing. So just leave that one as none. Source of funds, you can either put local or offshore. I'm going to go for local. And then specific source of funds can either be, let's say you have a T-bill or a T-bond that is maturing, or others. If you click others, you'll have to come and specify at the bottom. I'm going to go for salary. And then if you had clicked other on the specific source of funds, you have to come and enter the specific source of funds down here. And then I'm going to accept the legal terms. I'm going to accept the fund terms and then place a bid. So you can see right here, are you sure you want to place the bid with the following information? it is right there. You can see the face value is 100,000. I don't have a broker. Source of funds is local. That's the auction number up there, and it is a coupon bond. And then I click on place bid. Your bid was placed successfully, guys. Easy peasy. How to buy Government of Kenya infrastructure bonds, whether you are in the diaspora or you are right here in Kenya. You can do it from the comfort of your home, like I have just done. If you found this video interesting, please make sure you follow me right here on TikTok, and also make sure you go and check out my YouTube channel, Eva Mtali Finance. I will see you on the next one. Bye.